Welcome to Belting Edge, leaders in quality and service. We are proud manufacturers and suppliers of industrial conveyor belting and related components. This consists of timing belts, PU extruded profiles, food-grade belting, plastic modular belting, and the machining of high-end plastic engineered parts. From humble beginnings, Belting Edge was founded by John Ware in 1995. Today, Belting Edge has grown into the only belt supplier and fabricator in Africa to introduce a full CNC machining center for the fabrication of its belting-related products. We are very excited to announce that we have recently launched the first online belt ordering system in Africa. Our new Belting Edge online ordering platform gives you the power of purchase automation, streamlining your workflow and saving you time and money. Here are some key benefits of using Belting Edge online. Order your products seamlessly through our easy-to-use online store. This store is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You choose, we pack, we deliver. Find valuable information with the technical literature on the belts you need on the go. Get access to our technical sales support, along with having the power to place repeat orders that will guarantee consistent pricing. Along with all the other benefits that Belting Edge has to offer, we have major incentive pricing in place for long-standing customers, OEMs, and resellers. All you need to do is go to beltingedge.co.za and click on the shop icon. This will divert you to our safe and secure online purchasing platform. You can find the products, place an order, and choose your payment method. It's really that easy. We deliver to anywhere in South Africa. So rest assured that your belt will be on its way sooner than you know.